The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
So, we came like 1 hour away into Long Island because we came up on a crazy deal on the vented carbon fenders for the G37. We got it for, how much did we end up getting for? $550?
$550.
We got it for $550 only because one of the vent corner has a chip on it, which we don't mind. Mohammed, our body guy, could easily fix that. So the problem is, this is a coupe. We already got in the front.
Eh.
And this is how I gotta sit for an hour now.
On the carbon.
No, I'm not sitting on the carbon. I'm trying to avoid the carbon. Oh, we also got, I'm trying to talk here. Anyway, I also got a 3M wrap, a full roll for only 300 bucks. It's like the black with like purple flakes on it. So yeah, I'll let you know if I survive on the way home and we don't crack the fenders.
The next day.
As you guys saw in the last video, we picked these up and I don't know if did we show them the crack? No, right? But there was a crack here. We went to the body shop and he fixed it up. This has to be wet sanded and properly cleared again, but he's gonna do it when it's on the car, so it's better to do it like that. But yeah, he fixed the crack. It's done. But right now we're gonna install it on the car. And so basically when we install these, I'll show you over here. We're gonna have to take out the fender liner because it won't go in. And we're probably gonna mount the bumper because this shit keeps coming out.
Start of his valid, right?
Hey, like the sandwich, flipping any way you want to break them first. Told them that's a dub, I want God, that's my word. Pressing on that pedal till it hurts, no reverse. Devil hand out to the hearse, that's a curse. I can't mess around with shorty, that's a dub. She like Xotic, kept on calling, but you stay ignoring me. Girl, you wasn't on my mind, I push you out my memory. If I'm down and going out, I know you wouldn't come for me. To be honest, people hating, watching, really debating. If I'm go up to obtain the future, I'm stating. I know what I'm building is a solid foundation. They don't understand it, so I gotta portray it. I ain't common, my name foreign. Don't get cropped right out the frame, cause I got options. Said you swimming with the sharks and you with dolphins. You a soft boy, not no Spartan. I cool, my baddie, she my foreign.
Alright guys, so we just finished this side. We'll put in the headlights back on for this, and my guy Valerie's doing that side. So after that's done, we'll show you how everything looks all together.
Hey, singing to it like I'm Drake, Ashen Martin. Got some people wanna beef, but won't start it. Nah, I got Jesus on my side, won't be starving.